things can't be intended for this. Red. Full speed ahead. Ooh. Bad boy is slow in the snow. Gotta be careful, it's only two-wheel drive. Oh, oh boy. Not really slowing down.
Probably not. Probably not.
How do you do?
Hi.
People. Look at people. Alright. Whoop, whoop. It's the ABS kicking in.